Why, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And this is the last one for me for the week. This is the 12th bowl of noodles I've tasted this week. So, yay! Good to have a weekend now. So anyways, what am I gonna do? Well, I'll show you, but it's not show you. Yeah, that joke is getting really old really quick, isn't it? This is from Hong Kong. This is Sau Tao Tom Yum Kung Flavor Ho Fan. Ho Fan is like a flat broad rice noodle. Okay, nothing crazy. And here's what we got. It is a big bowl of it. So let's. There's sort of a way you could set it so the screen on this thing wouldn't turn off, or at least you could like say, hey, can I have like an extra 10 seconds? Because that's usually all I need is just like 10 more seconds. But no, dumping it on. And it doesn't say how long. And the last one that I did was a laksa from Hong Kong of this brand. Last one I did was 5 minutes, so I'm doing 5 minutes again. So there we go. Smells very, very nice. I've been really impressed, honestly, with this kind of Southeast Asian series that they've done. They did a laksa and they did a tom yum, and they have it in this style. This is the Ho Fan. They had it in rice vermicelli, which is like some of the thickest rice vermicelli I've ever had. It's in packs and it's fresh. And then the other one is straight noodle. You get 2 servings. The straight noodle tom yum is on the top 10 instant noodles of all time 2019 edition. Make sure to go see that if you haven't, because it needs you. It needs to be seen. I didn't really realize it, but I guess every year companies spend money getting, call it like the news, to run stories about it. Well, this year none of the companies really seem to have cared, which is a bummer, but I mean, still a good list, so go check it out. But yeah, as far as like popularity, this was like the absolute worst year for the top 10 instant noodles of all time. This is the worst year of all time. There you go. But actually no, I would say the worst ones were before 2013. That's when the first time it really got noticed happened. Before that, it was just like, oh yeah, top 10 list, yeah, sure. But yeah. Yup. Yeah. New music. That's a good thing. This broth is looking real purty already. How much time you got left on there? 2.5 minutes, for God's sake. Yeah, I think 5 minutes is probably good on this. I think the last time I did it, I tried it. Oh, here it is after 2. Here it is after 3. Here it is after 4. Yep, 5 must be right. I could totally be wrong, but it could be 6. It could be 10. It could be 2. But if it's 2, that's sufficiently funky. I like unpredictably funky music. Like music that all of a sudden, boom, change in timing, change in tempo. I like stuff like Zappa, you know? A lot of people are like, hey, Zappa, that guy's funny. It's like, if you like listen to like, he has just like an insane crew always of the most talented musicians you've probably never heard before, unless you're a big fan. Miles really likes Zappa, which I didn't expect. He likes what's that song? 50/50. There's all sorts of crazy stuff. Jean-Luc Ponty's on it, playing like distorted violin, and who else is like Ruth Underwood? She plays like vibraphone, xylophone, all that kind of stuff, and it's just like the tempo and the register or whatever it's in. It's just like thinking music for your thinker. It's not Taylor Swift. Although I'll tell you my Taylor Swift story. So when I went over to Malaysia, driving everywhere, and there's a station that they used to play, or they were playing there, and it's just like the same song kept coming on. I figured most of it was like Malaysian music. I was like, what's this song? It's so catchy. Is this Malaysian music? And the guy looks at me, and without like changing the expression on his face, he just says, Taylor Swift. I wanted to shoot myself right then and there. So that's my Malaysian music story. Like Taylor Swift. Oh my god, I need some Swiftamin. This isn't supposed to be something that I find catchy or enjoyable. Good god. I feel like I need to be punished for that. I think I'm just continually punishing myself for that. Just like there, I've made a mess. Big clump of napkin for this mess. This mess needs a large amount of paper product. Okay. Here's what we got. And now I'm going to eat it all in 32 seconds. Ready? Oh my fucking god. There, it's time to curse. Oh my fucking god. Fuck. Fucking bullshit. I made another mess. There, that's your once every 20 episodes cursing cavalcade. Fuck. I didn't like the Loxa one so much, but this is definitely really good with the Ho Fan. Look at that broth. That's the pretty stuff. It's not like... God, it's got a good shrimp taste to it, too. Yeah. Now, what's this? This looks like a pea. It's a piece of corn. Hydrated well, but it's so out of place. Man, I wish I would have dehydrated some fish ball. That would have been like absolutely stellar in that. Another word that I rarely use. Get in there. That is one pretty bowl of noodles. I like that. Okay, so sprout. Coriander. Shrimp. And honestly, I don't want to do a whole heck of a lot more than that to it. It doesn't need it. This is like everything carries really happily. I'm stoked on it. I could put seeds on it. The only thing I will add to it is some crushed pepper flake, and I think that's good to go. So yeah, let's give it a little punk rock spin. Let's see. Try to get you even close. Yeah, now we're talking. Pull back just to there. No wobble. That's good. All right, you ready? Here we go. I'm impressed. That's 5 stars. As easy as 5 stars can be handed out. Beautiful. All right, well, cool. My week is done. I hope you are having a great day. I hope if it is your weekend or your weekend's coming soon, you keep it funky, you keep it fresh, and keep it clean. All right, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your news every day. Have a good one and bye.